Soil is much more than just dirt. It's a living ecosystem, teeming with billions of microscopic organisms. These tiny life forms, known as microbes, are the unsung heroes of agriculture. They are the engine that drives soil health and plant growth. Microbes break down organic matter, releasing essential nutrients for plants. They improve soil structure, making it easier for roots to grow and water to penetrate. And they even protect plants from harmful pests and diseases. One of the most important roles of soil microbes is nutrient cycling. Plants need a variety of nutrients to grow, including nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Microbes convert these nutrients into forms that plants can easily absorb. Without microbes, these nutrients would remain locked up in the soil, unavailable to plants. Microbes also play a crucial role in disease suppression. They compete with harmful pathogens for resources, limiting their ability to infect plants. Some microbes even produce antibiotics that kill or inhibit the growth of pathogens. By promoting a healthy microbial community, farmers can reduce their reliance on chemical pesticides and fungicides. Among the many beneficial microbes found in soil, the genus Bacillus stands out as a true champion of plant health. These rod-shaped bacteria are known for their ability to produce a wide range of beneficial compounds, including enzymes, antibiotics, and plant growth hormones. One of the most well-studied species, Bacillus subtilis, is a highly effective biocontrol agent. It produces a variety of antibiotics that suppress the growth of plant pathogens, including fungi and bacteria. Bacillus subtilis also forms biofilms around plant roots, creating a protective barrier against infection. Another important species, Bacillus megaterium, is a phosphorus solubilizer. It produces enzymes that break down insoluble forms of phosphorus in the soil, making it available for plant uptake. Bacillus megaterium also produces vitamins and other growth-promoting substances that enhance plant growth. Bacillus species are also important decomposers of organic matter. They break down complex organic compounds into simpler forms that can be used by plants. This process releases essential nutrients back into the soil, improving soil fertility. Another group of beneficial bacteria that plays a crucial role in soil health is the genus Pseudomonas. These bacteria are known for their ability to produce a wide range of secondary metabolites, including antibiotics, siderophores, and plant growth hormones. Pseudomonas fluorescens is a highly effective biocontrol agent. It produces a variety of antibiotics, including phenazines, which inhibit the growth of a wide range of plant pathogens. Pseudomonas fluorescens also produces siderophores, which are iron-chelating compounds that help plants to acquire iron from the soil. Another important species, Pseudomonas stutzeri, is involved in the nitrogen cycle. It converts nitrate, a form of nitrogen that can be lost from the soil through leaching, into nitrogen gas. This process, known as denitrification, helps to regulate the amount of nitrogen in the soil. Pseudomonas species are also important for promoting plant growth. They produce plant growth hormones such as indole 3-acetic acid, which stimulate root growth and development. By enhancing root growth, Pseudomonas bacteria help plants to access more water and nutrients from the soil. The use of beneficial microbes in agriculture, a practice known as biofertilization and biocontrol, holds immense potential for sustainable farming. By harnessing the power of these tiny organisms, farmers can reduce their reliance on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, which can have negative impacts on the environment and human health. Biofertilizers containing nitrogen-fixing bacteria, such as Azobacter, can reduce the need for synthetic nitrogen fertilizers. These bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can use, reducing the environmental impact associated with nitrogen fertilizer production. Biocontrol agents, such as Bacillus and Pseudomonas species, can help to control plant diseases and pests, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. These microbes suppress the growth of harmful organisms through a variety of mechanisms, including competition, antibiosis, and induced systemic resistance. By embracing the power of soil microbes, we can move towards a more sustainable and resilient agricultural system. This approach not only benefits the environment, but also improves soil health, plant productivity, and ultimately the quality of our food.